Welcome. Is this your first day?
Yes, my first day.
Are you feeling nervous?
A little, yes.
That is totally normal.
Thank you. That helps.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I am from Boston.
Did you find us easily?
Yes, quite easily.
Is this your first job?
No, second job, actually.
What did you do before?
I worked in sales.
Is this job different?
Yes, very different role.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, I love it.
Is the office nice?
Yes, very nice office.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, right here.
Is your desk ready?
Yes, come follow me.
Is this my desk?
Yes, yours from today.
Is computer already set up?
Yes, all set up.
Do I have email access?
Yes, check your inbox.
Is password already set?
Yes, IT set it.
Should I change password?
Yes, change it today.
Do I have any meetings?
Yes, 1 at noon.
What is the meeting about?
Team introduction meeting.
Should I prepare anything?
No, just come listen.
Is team friendly here?
Yes, very friendly team.
Will I meet everyone today?
Yes, at lunchtime.
Is lunch together daily?
Yes, every day together.
What time is lunch?
At 12:30 sharp.
Is there a cafeteria?
Yes, on second floor.
Is food good there?
Yes, very good food.
Do I need to pay?
Yes, very affordable prices.
Is there a dress code?
Smart casual every day.
Is my outfit okay today?
Yes, looks very professional.
Do I need a badge?
Yes, pick up downstairs.
Is badge ready already?
Yes, ready for you.
Where is the bathroom?
Down the hall, right.
Is there a break room?
Yes, next to elevator.
Can I make coffee there?
Yes, free coffee always.
Is parking available here?
Yes, basement level 2.
Do I need a permit?
Yes, HR will help.
Where is HR office?
Third floor, turn left.
Should I go there today?
Yes, before noon, please.
Is there anything to sign?
Yes, a few forms.
Are forms complicated?
No, very simple forms.
Do I get a handbook?
Yes, here it is.
Should I read it today?
Yes, very important reading.
Is there a lot to learn?
Yes, but we help.
Will someone train me?
Yes, I will train you.
How long is training?
About 1 full week.
Is 1 week enough?
Yes, you will manage.
Should I take notes?
Yes, always take notes.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, so many questions.
Ask me anything, anytime.
Thank you so much.
Are you happy to be here?
Yes, very happy indeed.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Excited to start.